Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-deactivate ng ating Facebook account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you from my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, mag-open lang tayo ng ating Facebook account. Then after nyan dito sa Facebook, itap lang natin yung 3 horizontal lines na dito sa upper right corner or yung menu ng ating Facebook account. Then dito sa menu guys, i-scroll up lang natin and then itatap natin dito is yung settings and privacy. Then tap naman natin yung settings. Then dito sa settings and privacy guys, itatap natin dito yung personal details. Then dito naman sa personal details, i-scroll up lang natin guys and punta tayo sa section ng account settings. Then itatap natin dito is yung personal details. Then dito sa personal details guys, itatap natin dito is yung account ownership and control. So ayan, dito naman is ang itatap naman natin ay deactivation or deletion. So, dito naman, ipipiliin lang natin yung account na gusto nyong i-deactivate. So, tatap lang natin yung account. Then, dito, kailangan naka-enable yung deactivate account. So, itatap nyo lang guys yung small circle sa side niya hanggang sa maging kulay blue katulad nito. Then, kapag okay na, itap na natin yung continue. Then, dito naman guys, is itatap ulit natin yung continue. Then, lalagay lang natin yung ating password for security purposes. Then, after nyan, tap continue. So, ayan, dito naman guys, is mamimila lang tayo ng reason kung bakit gusto nating i-deactivate yung ating account. So, for example, ang pipiliin ko na lang is, this is temporary, I'll be back. So, yun na lang yung reason. Then, itap nyo na lang yung continue. Then, dito naman guys, is i-scroll up lang natin. And hanapin nyo dito yung automatically reactivate my account. So, yun yung may 7 days. Itatap lang natin. And dito guys, piliin nyo yung don't reactivate automatically para hindi siya automatic magre-reactivate. Kasi once na nakalagay dyan is 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, etc. automatic mare-reactivate siya within that day. So, mas okay pa rin guys kung ilagay nyo sa don't reactivate automatically, then tap nyo yung continue. So, dito i-confirm na natin yung temporary account deactivation. Itatap lang natin yung deactivate my account. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo nag-auto log out yung aking Facebook account and ibig sabihin nun, naka-deactivate na yung aking Facebook account. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!